Once you start making omelets the Julia Child way, you may never make them any other way ever again. Hi, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like to have fun in your kitchen, then you are going to love making Julia Child's omelet. Not only can you make it in about a minute, but it's also really fun to make. Okay, come on over here to the stove. I've got a pan and it's already a little hot. You don't want to get it too hot because you don't want to brown or burn your butter. You want to keep your butter melted. There we go. Now it's happy. And then while the butter is melting, and don't skip on that tablespoon, go ahead. The more butter in a stainless steel skillet makes it a non-stick skillet. So go ahead and whisk up 2 eggs, season them with a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh ground pepper, and then once the foam dies back on our butter here, I'm gonna keep it from browning, but you wanna make sure that the butter is completely melted. There we go. We're gonna just pour those 2 whisked eggs. I think 2 eggs makes the best omelet. Give it a minute or 2 to set up, not a minute, but a couple of seconds to set up, because the whole omelet, you'll see, comes together in right about a minute. And then start swirling. So this swirling action is what not only cooks the egg, but it also makes it fluffy. So it's kind of like scrambling the egg, but it's a real soft scramble. All right, and then over here on this plate, I've got some lightly sauteed spinach that's been seasoned a little bit with a touch of salt and just a little whiff of nutmeg. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our omelet right on top of that. So you can see that the egg is starting to congeal and cook, and this is what will make your omelet nice and full and fluffy. So I've got it over the heat, not on top of the burner, because that might be a little too much. But if you have it over the heat, maybe about an inch or so, and just keep swirling, 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 then you're able to flip it, and it won't get brown and it'll cook all the way through. Now, if you need to use a spatula to help it come together and help you, that's okay too. And then if you're new to this technique, definitely do it without any fillings. And then as you master the flipping and the cooking and the swirling, then you can add a little bit of filling to your omelet. All right. And we are done. Let's go ahead and flip it. Flip it, there you are. Julia Child's omelet. I'm guessing that might have been right at a minute, maybe a couple seconds over. First, let's look at the color. It's a nice, beautiful pale yellow, no browning, or at least very little. And then cut into it. Oh yeah, see, really nice volume. And it's cooked all the way through. Oh my gosh, it is light, fluffy. You are gonna love this. If your omelet looks a little wet, don't worry about it, because once you flip it over and it goes on the plate, it'll keep cooking through for just a tad bit longer. So thanks so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. If you haven't liked and subscribed to this video yet, please do, and then stick around for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. You are going to love this omelet.